Hello and welcome here in Le Brassus at the Blancpain manufacturer. We are here to discover more in detail one model which is absolutely amazing. If you are asking the question, it is the Tourbillon Carrousel. This watch is very special because it gathers two complications that have the same purpose, averaging out the effect of gravity of movements. The first of these complications is the tourbillon, and you may remember that the tourbillon has been invented by Abraham Louis Breguet in 1796 in Paris, and that he patented this invention a few years later in 1801. The goal was to turn the escapement on itself to make an average of the run of the movement. The other complication is the carrousel, and the carrousel has exactly the same purpose. It has been invented by Banet Bunningson, which is a Danish watchmaker living in London in 1892. Why these two mechanisms are different? Actually, they are different because for the tourbillon, the escapement is connected to the main barrel only by one gear train. On the carousel, you have two gear trains. One controls the progression of the cage and the other controls the escapement. This is why if you stop the cage of a tourbillon, the whole movement will stop. And this is why if you do the same on a carousel, the cage will stop, but the regulator, the escapement, will continue to work. Actually, the carousel complication has a special history with Blancpain, because in 1989, Blancpain launched the caliber 23 with an ultra-thin tourbillon. To make it, they rearranged the form of the tourbillon invented by Breguet. To reach this goal, watchmakers and engineers rearranged the construction of the cage. But some aficionados and connoisseurs thought that it was not anymore a tourbillon, rather a carousel. They forgot that the carousel, the true one, has the second gear train that controls the cage. So when Blancpain launched its first carousel in 2008, it was just like a big surprise. And this watch is special because it gathers these two complications that were for a while putting one against the other by some connoisseurs or some experts. The tourbillon carousel contains then two hearts, different and connected with a differential that makes the average of both of them. The movement that has been smartly decorated is visible because also of this special dial that is a ring made out of enamel. The tourbillon carousel contains actually 379 pieces, and there is some innovation in it because the two spirals are in silicone for a better chronometry, actually, which was the goal also of these two complications, that are the tourbillon and the carousel. The tourbillon carousel is only available in red gold at the moment for a price of 298,000 Swiss francs, including taxes. And for those who like the history of timekeeping and of precision, this is somehow a masterpiece because Blancpain is the first brand who succeeded in introducing those two complications in the same watch, and in addition to that, these two complications are properly exclusive to Blancpain. So, what else would I say?